Sac passé. Maboule. Okay, if you ever forget, what are these greetings she keeps saying? Remember to watch the greetings videos and look in your workbook. Some of them are not in the workbook. And so those are in the cultural videos and in the videos that are expanding your vocabulary, because I like to give you more and make sure you're getting as much as possible. Okay. Because I don't want you to be a narrow Creole speaker where it has to all be in the workbook. Not possible. So I want to make sure it's very natural for you. Okay, so we're going to do the speech drill for leçon 8, and this one is focusing on the N after the and on. Now, I added this speech drill because people got so caught up in and on. I've got it. I can be nasal. And then when they see the other N, they're still going and on. They're not biting down on the actual N that's coming after the blends. Also, I want to always make sure that you are understanding the difference between the accented vowels, o, and their unaccented counterparts, a, o. A profound difference. It's important for you to remember that the accented vowels are short. So you want to be short when saying them. As usual, I'm going to say the speech drill for leçon 8 first, and then I'm going to have you repeat every single sound after me, line for line after me, and then the whole speech drill after me. And of course, we répéter. Den, done, don, de, day, do, da. Fen, fun, fon, fe, fe, fo, fa. Now you're going to répéter each sound after me. Den, done, don, de, day, do, da. We're going to répéter that whole line. Den, done, don, de, day, do, da. Now we're going to do the second line. Fen, fun, fon, fe, fe, fo, fa. Répétez. Fen, fun, fon, fe, fe, fo, fa. Yes, you are noticing that we are going faster, okay? And the reason we're doing this is leçon 8, so you can do these speech drills a little faster. But if they're too fast, you can pause, okay? Now we're going to do this line for line. Den, done, don, de, day, do, da. Répétez. Den, done, don, de, day, do, da. I hate to be redundant, but remember, you want to be looking at your speech drills while you're saying them, because this is about making sure you know what sounds you're sounding out, okay? Second line. Fen, fun, fon, fe, fe, fo, fa. We're going to répéter that line. Remember, if I'm going too quickly, just pause, okay? Fen, fun, fon, fe, fe, fo, fa. Now, we're going to say the entire speech drill, and you're going to répéter après moi. Den, done, don, de, day, do, do. Fen, fun, fon, fe, fe, fo, fa. We're going to répéter the whole line. Ou capable. You can. Ou capable. Okay? Den, done, don, de, day, do, do. Fan, fun, fon, fe. Fe, fo, fa. Bien fait. Mwen fier de ou. I'm proud of you. Mwen fier de ou. I'm proud of you. Okay, go ahead, like the video, download it, and get ready for the next video. Now, the next video is very important. It's on emphasizing possession. So you know how to do possession, possessor, but now you need to know the various ways of emphasizing that something belongs to you. So you're going to do a great job, guys.